In the modern printing world, equipment is more complicated than ever. NairWeb is seeing new innovation, screen is becoming increasingly efficient, and digital is extending its reach farther than ever before. But even as technology continues to advance, college print programs are shrinking, with fewer fully qualified print professionals directly entering the workforce. Improved technology can help to cover this gap, but how do you better train your staff to ensure a fully knowledgeable team? And what do you do when your equipment goes down or isn't running optimally and you can't afford to employ a full-time troubleshooter? Nazdar Consulting Services is here to help. With expertise in every segment of the print industry, our experts can analyze and optimize every step of your print process, from file to finishing.
When people think about Nazdar Consulting Services, a lot of times they think, well, those guys do color. Well, we do a lot more than that. We can help you troubleshoot your screen printing, adhesion, curing, dry times. We are very familiar with all facets of ink chemistry, media manufacturing, screen print equipment, and not just that, also inkjet. We not only teach color management at, for example, the SGIA Color Management Bootcamp. We also teach seminars at, for example, the SGIA show. We do inkjet printer maintenance, wide format 101, how to select a machine, UV printer maintenance, and also solvent printer maintenance. So when you think about NCS or Nazdar Consulting, we're not just color. We do a lot more than that, from file to finishing.
Nazdar Consulting offers problem solving and solutions, with in-depth analysis that ensures we not only fix the symptoms, but the root causes of inefficiency as well. This can include ink optimization, prepress automation, neutral print density, system calibration, and much more. Not only can Nazdar Consulting Services make your equipment more efficient, but we also have the training experience to educate your personnel. NCS training services are customized to your business's needs. And the best part is, you don't need to arrange for sending your employees off to a training class. Our consultants are available to train on-site, eliminating the need for costly travel and giving your staff the benefit of working on the actual equipment they use. For years, Nazdar Consulting Services has been helping shops like yours maximize their efficiency. Our friendly and knowledgeable consultants will increase the performance of both your equipment and staff, fixing current problems while preventing future ones. Contact Nazdar Consulting Services today and find out how our qualified experts can improve your print business, from file to finishing.